Hi,
Hello, teacher.
what's your name?
My name is Susan.
Oh, Susan, are you ready?
Yeah,
Okay, can you tell me how old are you?
I'm 5.
Okay, can you show me where is 5? Is it 5?
No,
Is it 5?
no,
Is it 5?
no.
Is it 5?
Yeah,
That's great. Okay, can you tell me where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Can you show me, is it Vietnam?
No,
Is it Vietnam?
no.
Is it Vietnam?
Yeah,
All right then. Are you ready for the test?
yeah.
Okay. What is this?
A, pen.
Okay. What is this?
E, a, scissors.
Scissors. Good job. What is this?
E, a novel.
Okay. Oh, what you got?
I have a lot of chair.
That's great. What you got?
I have a lot of desk.
Okay. What you got?
I have a lot. That's okay.
Pencil is right. And what is this?
E,
Mhm. This is rule.
international.
This is rule. Okay. What is this?
E,
This
a,
rubber. That's great. What is this? This is
sharpener.
sharpener. Okay. What you got here?
I have a lot of food.
Got good. Okay. What you got here?
I have a lot of crayon.
Right. What you got here?
I have a lot
Scissors.
of scissors.
All right. That's all for the test. Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye, teacher.